Okay, so we're kind of near Ko Sahn Road. We're at another street. It's really quiet here. Really quiet. Didn't expect it. Thai house. So this whole area is called Bangkok, but it's also Ko Sahn Road. So we're just gonna walk down it and just kind of check and see what it's like at this time. And we're just gonna head down that street. So stay tuned, we're in Bangkok near Ko Sahn Road. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this one. Got some alleys, we got massage places, water. This one's pretty tasty. And there's hardly anybody around. I haven't seen it this empty. Let's see. This way. I'll just say hello. Have a good afternoon. I also have a YouTube channel, so I'll just say hello. So we got a bookstore right here called Soulbrigada Book, and he has also some copies of Moon Over Macau. So thank you so much, and
yeah, okay.
I hope the bookstore keeps going in Bangkok.
You too.
Thank you. Come back. Yeah. Okay, so we have a little alley down in here. There's Sarah Barn Book, so if you want to buy some books. There's not many books around these days, so maybe I'll just kind of tell you what it was like before. But about 25, I was here in 1996 for the first time, and it used to be just filled with books pretty much everywhere, and also music CDs. So this whole city was just filled with them, and now there's almost none. It's really hard to find books or CDs, kind of obsolete. And this one is called Rambutri. And Ko Sahn Road is the one next door, so we're gonna see if we can check that out too. Last time I was here, this was super crazy crowded. But the first time I was here, I don't even remember it, in 96. Let me just kind of come over here real quick. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Okay, just gonna keep on walking down, see what we can see. Got some welcomes. Okay. Got San Miguel beer for 89. Okay, let's check this out. Thai dance music. So this is a little alley right here, and it's pretty quiet, really quiet. Hello, how are you? Thank you. You're not wearing suit? Yeah, I don't need one. Thank you though. Okay. Hello. I'm gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, we're on Ko Sahn Road, and it's very quiet, really quiet. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn the camera off, go over to Ko Sahn Road. Let's see if there's an alley right here. Yeah, I think this is an alley, so we'll just take this alley. So this actually is a shortcut to Ko Sahn Road. Happy Bar, Hansa Hostel. And that way we can call it Ko Sahn Road. Yeah, first time I came here was 96, and it was basically all books, CDs, and these little like cafes where you'd, internet cafes, but also a lot of cafes where you would have, oh, I can't believe how empty it is. People just watch DVDs, but none of that is anymore. So we're gonna head on down these little alleys. Hostel. Oh, you got some books.
You want to take a picture?
I want to give a book to this place.
Yeah. You want to take a photo?
I want to give a book.
Here's a book. Yeah.
I want to donate it to
You want
here.
to keep that?
Yeah,
You can
And-
keep inside that.
and actually that's me.
No, it's you.
Yeah.
Oh, you can keep inside that.
I'll just donate it inside.
เขาจะให้หนังสือเพราะว่าเป็นหนังสือของเขา
I was gonna donate a book. So for you, give free. Yeah. That's me.
You give
I'm giving it so you guys can put it here or give it away or read it or whatever you want.
my daughter like to read
Okay, yeah.
and after read here for the guest.
Perfect. And I signed it too. So I also put my name here too.
Ah,
That's me.
okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
แต่ว่าไม่สนใจก็สนใจอยู่นะครับแต่ว่าบางทีอยากไปหาน้องยักษ์ What's your name my friend
Kevin.
Kevin Nice to meet you
Good to meet you as well.
Yeah my name is Fun
Fun.
Yeah
Good to meet you, Fun.
It's
Good to meet you.
ชื่ออะไรนะพัน
Fun.
เฮียพัน
Perfect.
มิสเตอร์พัน
Okay, guys.
Yeah nice to meet you Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Can take a photo together
Oh, okay. There we go. All right. Okay, guys.
Yeah Where you going
I'm gonna walk around the Ko Sahn
Walking
Road.
along the road
Yeah.
If you walking along the road is now in the
Quiet.
morning it's nothing
It's quiet.
You can come Yeah it's now it's quiet It's
Yeah.
In the night It's have a
Nighttime.
party there
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Nice to meet you
Good to meet you as well.
Yeah
Have a good day, guys.
Yeah have a good day too
Thank you. It says meander into Ko Sahn Road. So that was pretty cool. So I was able to give a book away. Still got one more book, so let me take it out of the bag. I'm gonna try to find a home for it on Ko Sahn Road somewhere. So yeah, actually I gave some to the book guy, promote his business, because yeah, again, used to be books everywhere. Now there's they're hard to come across now. So now we're gonna come into Ko Sahn Road.
Okay, besser als nichts.
Okay. So now we're on Ko Sahn Road and it's empty and quiet. Yeah, this used to be crazy, so crowded you can barely walk through it, especially at nighttime. So maybe tonight it'll be like that, but it's off season. But anyways, we're here now. Ko Sahn Road. Yeah, it's really quiet. Massage places, buddy beer. Got some jazz down there. Hello. Okay, we're gonna keep on passing on through. Hello.
Massage, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, let's see. Hello. So I think we're going to be coming to an end shortly. We'll just keep going a little bit further. Maybe we'll do a little 360 here. But yeah, this later will be so busy. Look at advertising. We're Ko Sahn Road. Thai cannabis shops everywhere. Pharmacy. Okay. Hello, how are you guys?
Where you going, my friend? Hey, market.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so let's keep on moving on. We're gonna walk all the way to the end of this road here. Buddy Lodge. Should be pretty busy later. Buy 2G, get 1G. Don't know what that means exactly. Hello.
Where you go now?
I'm just walking. Thank you. I'm okay. I'm good. Thank you, though. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay. So we're gonna come to an ending of the street, and then we're gonna flip the camera around. Actually, I'm gonna come to the corner, and then we're gonna flip the camera around. This is Ko Sahn Road, and then the other one was the other street. And then you can do all the transportation here as well. They'll take you on tours, whatever. So there we go. There's the sign right there, Ko Sahn Road. You can see it in the blue. There we go. So that's Ko Sahn Road right there. World famous city bus. And then if we go over here, the other street is down this way a little bit. And I think we're gonna come to an end for this video, and that'll be it. Yeah, things look kind of quiet these days. Looks really quiet. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're gonna be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.